Hello everyone, welcome to SkySkill Academy. Today we have Kumar Anand Prakash with us, who has recently joined Design Tech Systems Pvt Limited as design engineer. Hello Anand. So could you please introduce yourself?
Hello all. Hello, ma'am. Thank you for this great opportunity. Uh, yeah, I have done mechanical engineering from my college, NMM Institute of Technology, NITTE, popularly known by the name NITTE. So after that, I got campus placed there as recruiter in Bangalore. Uh, it went around a year. After that, I decided to resign and prepare for government exam. So I just prepared for government exam for a few years. After that, it couldn't click. It couldn't convert into success. So that's where I found SkySkill Health. One of the consultants of SkySkill, I contacted them, and it was pretty good with a lot of hope. Our talk went good, went ahead, and I joined this course on automotive designing and manufacturing. That is very that is the area of my interest, where I wanted to be placed as design engineer. So it went very good. All the training went ahead very good. So in between, I got placed in a company in Enco Engineers Combined Private Limited. So but there I couldn't get the department of my interest. I was working there as purchase executive. So I wanted this design engineering field. So that's what provided by SkySkill, and I am very grateful to it. Thank you. Please
Right.
go
That was like that. I would say, as an aspirant yourself, it was really important to keep yourself updated with your preparation if you're going for government jobs and something like if you are keeping yourself upskilled and updated to your major interest, it will be helpful for you in long run, even if your plan doesn't go as planned, right? That's great, Anand, to hear from you that you have, oh, over the year you are preparing for government job and you do not have like it is not sometimes it is not necessary that everything succeeds or you succeed, and so you had your own choice to work with to go with sky skill and work on your career. So all right, I would like to understand, besides who recommended you sky skill or what motivated you to join sky skill?
Actually, after preparing for government exam, yeah, updation is quite required during all the preparation. So I was quite updated, but with a lot of failures, I was very nervous, and but I had never let it go. So I was very hopeful, and uh, after uh, after few time passed away, then I thought to again join again, follow my area of interest. So that's where I tried to Google any consultant or uh, any consultant kind of thing I could counsel with. So that's where I landed up with SkySkill. There I got in Google. Tanmay sir, I got to contact him. I got to talk to him, and then it went very hopefully went ahead. Yeah.
So you joined in an online mode, right? So
Right.
how was your experience? Because when we talk about upskilling, and in such a domain where it is mostly preferably, we speak that we require people to join in offline modes and have practical experience or hands-on experience. How was it for you to join in online mode? Was it similar or how was it?
Yeah, online mode was very helpful because trainees and trainers and consultants here, they tend to coordinate with us a lot, and in all possible ways they provide all the materials. Like my area of interest was design department. So design department could be pursued online in a better way. So I found that the materials which were provided by SkySkill that were quite relevant, and I just kept on practicing whatever materials were provided by SkySkill, and exactly those things I got in the interview also. Uh, so many of the questions were matching with whatever materials were provided by the institute. So I found it quite confident and uh, uh, quite ready to face the interviews process and all. So I was very confident in that. Yeah.
So to combine it all, or to summarize, whatever you have read or whatever you have worked on is practically been asked in an interview, right?
Yeah, right.
Right. So how would you describe the quality of content and the trainers who trained you? Was like, do you have doubts, and how did the trainer resolve it?
Yeah, regarding material, it was quite accurate. Uh, Material is quite accurate. Even in the interviews, also, not in one interview, in many of the interviews, I found that materials were very accurate and very helpful, even more upskilled than what was asked in the interview. And regarding help from the trainers, it was quite good because in whatever possible way, I asked them, "Sir, I am not understanding, or please provide me some material, or provide me the understanding with another way." So they were always ready to go beyond the normal way. So I found it very good experience with the Skyscape. Yeah.
I believe trainers would be happy listening from you that they did such a good job that made you achieve your career. So, what was the placement experience here? How was it? What are the activities that have been done for you to achieve, like soft skill activities or
Yeah.
practice interviews?
Yeah. During my college days, I was hands-on with design software, but it got a break during my preparation for government exam. So after I joined SkySkill, uh, one by one, I was given the software, and I was asked to do the practice. And in all the softwares were provided, and in all the softwares I did practice all the materials provided by the SkySkill. So all those materials, like if I'm given to draw a sketch, so I tried to draw those sketches on different softwares, not only in one software, like Katia, NX, SolidWorks, Creo. All those softwares I tried, and that practicing the same sketches on different softwares helped me a lot. I was quite fluent with practicing those softwares. So that's where it went on, and it was quite good, guided by the Sky School trainers. Yeah,
Guidance and practice, I believe, is the most important
exactly,
thing. And
exactly.
a quote, practice makes a man perfect in doing
Yes,
anything, is
yes,
something we really believe on, right? It's not always the teachers or the experts who are going to teach you everything. You have to work on it yourself as well. So, what would you suggest others who are looking to achieve something, or who are looking to go into design field? So, what would you suggest them? What actually goes into being a design engineer?
I would like to suggest that never let go internally, never give up, because it's nothing like it's failed kind of thing. It's always there is hope, and there are people around you. You don't have that sense that during the time of failure, you don't get to sense that people around you can help you. But there is help always available around you. You need to search for it. You need to have energy internally from inside, and try to find ways. Never let go from inside. Being design engineer, uh, uh, I would say that different softwares needed to be practiced, and just practice the sketches, modeling, and try reach to recruiters, different companies. Definitely, it will click. It never goes like always you will fail. Time will change. Time does change. So time is never remains the same all the time. So it does change. Be hopeful. Never lose the hope.
That was a great suggestion. So, would you suggest Sky Skill for aspirants or who are looking to upskill themselves?
Definitely, SkySkill recently also were in coordination with one of the IITs. So also there were
Right.
many lectures and many professionals also do come on SkySkill for giving the updation. So SkySkill, I found that they are quite updated with the market, quite updated with the companies, professionals, and all the materials they are providing, they are quite updated regarding what is asked in the interview, what is asked, means all the materials provided by the SkySkill are quite professional materials, not just for academic practice. It's quite job relevant. So definitely they have all the sources available with them, SkySkill. So I would suggest candidates that they can go for SkySkill and be hopeful. With good hope, everything ends up in a good way. Yeah, thank you.
Right. Thank you so much, Anand, for joining us today, and thank you for your very important suggestions and recommendations to aspirants as well. And you know, from being a mechanical graduate to design engineer, your journey was inspiring as well. You didn't lose hope. So, thank you so much for joining us today, Anand. And I wish you good luck for your career and for your future as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, SkySkills.